So this is how to do Hypno's hood. So you put his head blocks, make sure that dowel's in already, you put his head block in the middle about here. Make sure obviously you've cut everything out already. And then we're gonna put the first side on like this and then pull it really tight, okay, nice and tight. And then put the other side on. Now you might have to stretch the fabric a bit to get that hole on there, but do it like that, okay? Now once we've done that part, we're gonna put the back on. So you put the back all the way over the dowel like that, and it will look something like this, looking like it's got two ears. And then just one side at a time, we pull that side over like so, and then we pull that side over like that. And that is how you do Hypno's hood. Now straight after that, we move straight on to doing his cape. So I'm going to do mine in red just so you can see it on the camera, but yours will be in black. So you put the center hole over the dowel like that, and then the key concept to remember with this is that the back of the hole here is going to go over the dowel. So we don't fold it in like this, we have to pull it down and to the left like this, and then the back of the hole here goes over the dowel. Okay, and it looks a bit messy, but don't worry about that. Okay, then same on this side, again we fold it downwards, and then the back of the hole goes over the dowel like so. Okay, so then you'll end up with something looking like this, and all we need to do then is hold that in position and straighten out the cape like that. Then you'll get your body and pop it onto there, just push and twist that on, and that will hold everything neatly in position. Now of course yours will be black like this one, so it'll look more like this. Okay, hope that helps.